Okay, I'm back. This is my other mason jar. This is the coffee filter. This is the ring. I should have done this on the first one, but oh well. Just set it in. It's pretty straightforward. This is just the way I have, well, just trying it this way. Everybody has different ways of making oil, doing their own thing. Yeah, I like to. So I like about YouTube, we get to see a lot of different ways people do it. Some are not so good, others are. And here we go. Ah, balls. I spilled some. Shit. No biggie. Yeah, I know the freezer looks a little dirty, but I'm not worried about it because I got a filter there. Haha. And with this, I'm gonna run my alcohol through this first, just to get the rest of that. Oh, you safety lid. Ah. Got it. And a little bit in here. Swish it around. And spill it. Away it goes. I'll do it again in this. Oops. Yeah. Okay, hopefully this works. Better? Yep. And I'll just use the rest of that. I used a little bit of alcohol, a little bit more than what I normally would have on this. But it's going, and I'll just keep slowly dumping this in. And that's the gist of it. Let this run. I'm going to let it run overnight because it will drip pretty much all night. And tomorrow I will begin cooking it off.